there! The growth of distributed processing, end-user computing, decision support, and executive information system has grounds for the development of several major types of databases. Let us see them. Operational databases store detailed data needed to support the operations of the entire organizations. They are also called transaction or production-based databases, whereas analytical databases store data and information extracted from selected operational and external databases. Analytical databases are also called management databases or information databases. Data warehouses, on the other hand, are another category which store data from current and previous years that has been extracted from the various operational and management databases of an organization. Distributed databases manage databases of local groups and manufacturing plants, etc. In order to implement databases, it is important to know who will be using them. Well, it's the users, like people accessing database over the web, bank tellers, clerical staff, etc. Users are differentiated by the way they expect to interact with the system. And for this reason, there are a number of users who interact with the existing database every moment, such as application programmers. They interact with the system through DML calls, that is, they use specific commands to access the database internally. Sophisticated users form requests in a database query language according to the security levels set by the application programmers. Specialized users, on the other hand, write specialized database applications that do not fit into the traditional data processing framework. Since we have defined the users and the databases the users can use, let's talk about how a database can be designed in order to make it workable. The process of designing the general structure of the database is known as database design. Logical decides on the database schema. Database design requires that we find a good collection of relation schemas. A schema is an outline which decides how the database should be designed. Business decision decides what attributes, that is, the qualities we should record in the database. Computer science decision decides what relation schemas should we have and how the attributes should be distributed among the various relation schemas. Physical design, on the other hand, decides on the physical layout of the database. Thank you.